Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable solar panels for RVs that are available on the market for their true quality. These products range in price, features, and performance, so whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium powerhouse, there's something here for everyone. You can check out all the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the DOKIO 150W 18V Portable Solar Panel Kit. This lightweight, foldable panel weighs just 9 pounds, making it one of the easiest panels to carry and set up for RV owners who are constantly on the move. With a slim profile of just 1.1 inches thick, this unit is compact and ideal for those tight storage spaces. The panel includes a 10A controller and multiple cable options, offering versatility for charging 12-volt batteries in power stations. What sets the DOKIO apart is its high conversion efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, which ensure you get optimal power output even with its relatively small size. It's a works-out-of-the-box kit, meaning you don't need additional components to start harnessing solar energy. However, while the panel does offer protection against overcharging, overload, and short circuits, it would have been great to see a more durable IP-rated waterproof coating for outdoor use. The DOKIO 150W panel is perfect for RV owners who prioritize portability and simplicity over raw power output. Its lightweight nature makes it ideal for camping trips, emergency backup power, or small-scale charging needs. However, its lower wattage compared to other panels on this list might limit its use for larger setups or long-term off-grid applications. Overall, this is a great entry-level option for those dipping their toes into solar energy. Pros include portability and ease of use, while cons include its lower power output and lack of robust weatherproofing. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel. This foldable solar suitcase combines portability with efficiency, making it a great choice for moderate solar energy needs. The kit comes with a 20A waterproof charge controller and alligator clips, allowing you to easily connect to various 12-volt batteries. The heavy-duty canvas case, handle, and latches ensure the panel stays protected during transport and storage. The Renogy panel features premium-grade monocrystalline cells with an impressive 22% efficiency. Its adjustable kickstand lets you position the panel at the optimal angle for sunlight absorption, enhancing its overall performance. The build quality is sturdy, and the waterproof charge controller provides multiple layers of protection for your batteries, including overcharge and short-circuit prevention. However, weighing in at 26.6 pounds, it's heavier than other models, which might make portability a bit challenging for some users. This panel is ideal for RV owners who need a reliable and portable solar solution for occasional off-grid use or as a backup power source. Its plug-and-play design makes setup simple, even for beginners. The pros include excellent efficiency, robust build quality, and reliable charging capabilities, while the cons are its weight and slightly limited power output compared to larger panels. At rank number 3, we have the Zoop W100W Portable Solar Panel. This panel stands out for its impressive 23.5% conversion efficiency, achieved using A+ monocrystalline silicon cells. Designed with durability in mind, it features an ETFE coating that makes it IP67 waterproof, dustproof, and capable of handling tough outdoor conditions. Weighing just 9.48 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Thanks to its magnetic handle and foldable design, a Zoop W panel comes with multiple output options, including USB-A, Type-C, and solar interface ports, making it versatile for charging devices like phones, laptops, and power stations. The 10-foot solar cable and kickstand add to its practicality, allowing for quick setup and optimal sunlight absorption. However, it's worth noting that while the panel itself is waterproof, the control box isn't, so users need to be cautious during heavy rain. This panel is perfect for RV owners who are looking for a balance between portability and performance. It's a great choice for camping trips, hurricane preparedness, or general outdoor use. Pros include its high conversion efficiency, robust build quality, and versatile output options. Cons include the non-waterproof control box and relatively lower wattage compared to the higher-ranked panels. At rank number 2, we have the budget-friendly Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. Priced at $194.39, this panel offers exceptional value for RV owners seeking high efficiency at an affordable price point. The Grade A monocrystalline cells provide a strong 23.5% conversion efficiency, ensuring consistent power generation even in less than ideal conditions. It includes multiple output ports, solar connectors, USB-A, and Type-C, allowing you to charge devices simultaneously. The panel's lightweight design, just 17.6 pounds, and magnetic folding mechanism make it easy to carry and set up. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand splashes and dust, though prolonged exposure to heavy rain is not recommended. The 200-watt output is sufficient for powering small appliances or charging power stations during camping trips or off-grid adventures. Its 4 mounting holes provide flexibility for tying it to your RV or other surfaces. This panel is ideal for RV owners who want a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. Its pros include excellent efficiency, lightweight design, and versatile output options. Cons include limited water resistance and slightly less durability compared to premium models. Finally, at rank number 1 is the Renogy 400-watt lightweight portable solar suitcase, the premium option on our list. Priced at $459.99, this panel combines power, efficiency, and rugged durability in one compact package. Weighing just 30.2 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its 400-watt output. The military-grade fiberglass material and A+ monocrystalline cells offer 23% efficiency, ensuring reliable power generation even in harsh conditions. The panel features sturdy rust-resistant kickstands for quick setup, and its compact folding design, 33.7 inches by 27.95 inches, makes storage a breeze. With IP67 waterproofing and an ETFE coating, it performs exceptionally well in extreme weather, from snow to desert heat. Additionally, its parallel wiring system ensures uninterrupted power generation even under partial shading. These design choices make it perfect for RV owners exploring rugged terrains or embarking on long off-grid adventures. This panel is the go-to choice for RVers who demand top-tier performance and durability. Its high price reflects the premium features and build quality. Pros include high power output, robust design, and excellent shading tolerance. Cons include its higher price point and heavier weight compared to smaller panels. But for serious off-grid enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.